Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal July, day 22. Today's prompt is timeless. So let's dive into our junk journals. Mine is getting quite chunky at the moment and I'm absolutely loving it. And create a spread for today. Today's spread, to be honest, has to be my absolute favorite of this challenge so far. I think it's really turned out beautiful and I'm really happy with the outcome. I can't decide which feature of this spread has to be my favorite. Maybe the window or the collage elements. I don't know. The mixture of all of those are so nice. So I can't wait to share this process with you. I hope you are having a good time and you are still going strong with your junk journal journey as well. If you are still taking part in the challenge, let me know in the comments down below. Do you have one of your favorite days so far? Or are you happy with all your journaling spreads in the same way each day? I'm really happy with the fact that I'm keeping up with the challenge so far and that I'm really keeping myself accountable to do a daily spread as well as doing a daily video and sharing my creative journey with all of you guys. And I'm so absolutely thankful for every one of you who keeps me company on a daily basis by creating and all your lovely comments. It's such a nice feedback for those creative times I'm sharing here. It makes me really happy. So thanks a lot for all the lovely feedback and support. I hope you are having an amazing time and that you are enjoying today's video as well. Here I decided that the pencil wouldn't be enough for the hourglass and I'm adding some juicy paint with the paint markers and then just a little shadow that would be perfect for the pencil. Now I wanted to add the quote that life is timeless. And here I picked out one of the old dictionary pages I found on the streets the other day and wanted to write on those to have a bit of more interesting background for the quote, rearranging everything. And here I decided to add a little transparent pocket on the back of the hourglass to give it a glass-like finish and not have a empty window behind the hourglass, if you know what I mean. And the benefit of the little plastic thing I'm using for that is that it is a little pocket, so I can go back later on and add something in there if I want to put something in the hourglass of life, but I have to see if I want to actually do that or if I just want to keep it empty and let the other page peek through here. That's what I will be doing in the end here, and it makes more sense, I guess. So maybe this pocket will stay empty. You will see later on why it maybe has to stay that way, but I thought it would be nice to have the physical material element of the foil here. So now I'm adding the circle that I did cut out a while back, and I decided I needed to include some kind of person into the spread. It felt kind of empty, and I found this really old film couple that I thought would be perfect for today's prompt. And also to have two people to add to the spread made kind of sense for myself as well, to have one person on one side and the other person on the other side. Now you know why I think it's more important to leave the hourglass empty so that the girl can peek through here. I'm really happy with how this spread turned out. As I already said, I think it's my absolute favorite spread of this junk journal so far. Maybe there is something better coming. There are still 9 days left, so who knows? Maybe I will get something more exciting then, but for now this definitely has to be my favorite part, with all the different collage elements and adding this element of the different pages and the interaction between the one and the other. A really nice thing I enjoy about this page. It feels kind of junk journaling to me. I don't know if that kind of makes sense. I hope it does. In my head it made sense. So how is your junk journal July going? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and spending some creative time with me. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, see you tomorrow and happy creating.